You know how y'all don't know me, but my name is Noah, okay? And I do lots of shit. So yeah, I love stuff. You're gonna wonder why I got a mask on. I don't know. Look at wonder why I'm sitting in a chair. I don't know. Look at why I'm sitting here. I don't even know. Yeah. Yeah, okay, well there's nothing wrong with me, because I know. I'm a fucking doctor. And you may wonder why I'm cussing in my videos now. I just realized I don't cuss in my videos. No, it's the first time for anything. I can't breathe in this.
I can't play the fucking clarinet! What the hell do you want from me?
You might be saying I'm uncool. Well, I'm cool. I'm cold, bitch. You don't even know. I go walking down the street, I got bits down the hole. I mean, I got hot, cool pussy running around with that. You don't even fucking know. I got a mask on. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I was making shit up to go on. Now, there comes a time in a man's life where he's got to look in the mirror and say, where am I going for life? I should know, I'm a doctor. What's that? You still might be asking what I'm doing right now. The thing is, I still don't know. I'm gonna snap.
I got a great idea! Make us shut up! Mom, we're on chili powder! You know, should I get there? I didn't want to buy chili powder. Still buy chili powder for me. I got fucking chili powder. What the fuck is this thing? What are you? I want chili powder! Mia, stop it! I think I'm gonna stop it!
I'm the Wizard of Blizzard!
Skull out here. I immediately regret this decision. Why? Why do you ice cream?
Frosty the Snowman.
We don't want no Christmas carols! Fuck! Who is this guy? What right does he have to be on the fucking Quaker Oats box? What the heck? Shut up! Is this what I know about? He's like freaking opium. You're a feeling.
Oh, sorry, babe.
Are you feeling it? Are you, brother?
The bottom line is, I mean, the point of this video is, I don't know. That is just the point of this video. I don't know what's going on anymore. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I can just run down the street and know what the hell I'm doing. Why I'm doing this, I don't even freaking know. Why I'm making this video, I don't know. Tell you one thing I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go change these clothes because I'm still fucking wet. Really cold and wet, and I really regret that decision going outside.